since I already got my ticket, I'm just going to show you how we entered. So this is the place where they scan your bags, and if you can see towards the end, they have the ticketing counter over there. So if you can see, here is the ticket. We got this ticket, and let's take a closer look at it. What's written over here? So you can see the metro map here. They have it at the entrance and the exit. And we took this line, Anandagar. Now let's stop this one. So there are the display boards over here displaying which metro is going to be coming next, and you can see some instructions also here. So here are the elevator to the platform. Let me take you to the staircase here. This also goes to the platform. And there's also another option to go via the escalator. So these are the nice options. Let's go to the platform via the escalator and let me take you there. So we are here on the escalator now. Let's see the view from the level 2. So now we are here at the end of the escalator. So this is the nice view of Pune city after reaching the level 2. This is the Anandagar train station. We have taken the route of Vanaz to Garware, and we are catching the metro from Anandagar to Vanaz today. So there are some instructions over here, beautifully done, beautifully marked, and I like how it is done in a systematic way. Let's take a look at the station now. This is the Anandagar station and we are here on the platform. This is on the level 2. And what we are seeing now is the direction towards Garware. Let's go to the level 1 again and let me take you to the stairs. Water fountains over here, and let's take a look at the ticketing counter. So here is the direction and the various stops. Let's take a look at it. So we have entered the elevator and this is the second level. Our metro is approaching now. It's just few seconds away. It's going to be an exciting. Okay, so our metro has approached, and let's see and experience our first ride in Pune Metro. I'm very excited about it. Okay, let's enter through this door and let's see how it is. Okay, let's take a look at it, how beautifully it is, and let's take a quick look at what's shown over here. Right, and there are some nice announcements going on here. Look at this. Okay, so the good part about it is that there are some charging stations available here. So let's take a look at it. And very advanced metro, and I have really enjoyed this ride. Okay, so now we have reached the Vanaz, and the doors are opening now. So we are here exiting the Vanaz station now, and I've taken the staircase purposely because I wanted to show you that staircases are really spacious here. Okay, let's take a look at the beautiful view that is seen from the Vanaz metro station, and let's take a look at the traffic. So right now we are here at the exit, and looks like we have to scan the ticket, and let's see what is the procedure now. So it gives you here like this. You have to scan it, and then you have to go through the exit. This is how the procedure is. And let's take a look at some of the instructions over here. So there are some instructions over here for the prohibited items on the metro, and both written in English as well as in Devanagari script, and you can see that it's also written in Hindi as well as in Marathi. So this is what we see at the entrance of the Vanaz station.